VSauce, HD here. Can you tell me the time? Well, for that you would look at the bottom right corner of your screen if you're on your computer, or you'd look on your phone, or your wristwatch, or the watch on your wall. But what is it what you're seeing there? It's time, of course, the most simplified way that we can explain to ourselves what time it is. But what is time? And why is it defined the way we do? As in 24 hours being a day, consisting of 1440 minutes or about 86,400 seconds. But who said that a second is actually a second long? Why couldn't a second, defined by us, not be 2 seconds long, and we just casually skip a number every time? A second is roughly the duration of 9,192,631,770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom, which is something we didn't know about when we first defined time as we did. A minute is 60 seconds long, and so is an hour 60 minutes. But couldn't we instead have a minute be 50 seconds long and an hour be 50 minutes? With that, our day would be 34.567 hours long, and our midnights would still match. I'm kidding, of course. There's no 7 in the calculation. But I would like there to be. You see, 7 is my favorite single-digit number there is. Otherwise it would have been pi, of course. But what is so special about 7? You see, the way I drew 7 is the way you see it on a calculator. But if I were to move this line and add it up here, it's a J. Remove this line and add it here, it's an L. If I were to remove both and draw the same way before, but with the small line being at an angle, it's a 1. Remove this part, it's a Roman 1, but it's also an I. Add the small line on top again, it's a lowercase I. Angle it, it's a French I. But it gets crazier. If you were to draw it next to it instead, see, what then happens is that you drew a part of a masterpiece that we know on the internet, which consists of 7 lines. Thank you for watching.